Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a dark filmora. When you open it, you can see everything become dark. You can't do nothing. You can't even see the close button. You can't see nothing. You can't even edit a video. So I'm going to show you. Just find your filmora shortcut. In my case, as you can see it here on the desktop. So I'm gonna right click on it. Click show more option. From here, I click property. Okay. So from property, you click on compatibility. So from compatibility, you click run this program in compatibility mode. Okay. And then here, you click down here, disable full screen optimization. Okay. When you're done that, you click apply, click OK. Okay. Now I'm going to open my Filmora and see again. As you can see, ready. You can see it loading. When you don't do that, you can't even see this. I was struggling with it, but I found a solution. As you can see, as you can see here, very clean. You can see everything. But when it is in dark mode, you can't see transition. You cannot see title. You cannot even close it. You cannot even close it. You can't see nothing here. So I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.